Who's the new worship leader? There's no biblical record or reference that God ever replaced Lucifer in heaven. Not with an angel. Do you know what God did? Instead, this is incredible. He made you. He made us. And He gave you all the capacity and the beauty in God's eyes that Lucifer had. All those things that he had, you have. Created in the image of God, you have all those as well. You have a wind section built in your lungs. You have wind that is pushed across the string section of called your vocal cords. Those are the strings that you lift your voice in praise and worship to God. And you have a built-in percussion section right here. You have all the capacity for worship that He had. Just in your very creation, you don't need an instrument. You are an instrument of praise.